Hello guys, it has been a long time since I came here to deliver content to you guys. I have missed you guys, so to say, and I am sorry that I have not posted any content for a while. I really had a lot of things going on in my life, so I'm happy to be back. I checked my last video and it was like 6 months old. So calculating 6 months old from the June of 2025 is like I am too lazy to calculate that, so someone should please do that for me. So I'm back now. Okay, I saw something on the chat that I wanted to show you guys on BTC very fast. I am not trying to rewrite the script here. I am only trying to deliver what I have been delivering before. What I want to show you is not like I am trying to reinvent something new. Okay, because one thing about time and price is that you have to find a constant, something you believe in, something you trust in, that works all the time, and you need to have a particular time frame you come to look for that particular setup. Okay, so right here I am looking at the 4-hour chart. So this 4-hour chart is not like I'm going to trade off it. I'm just trying to mark out the trend and detect where price is likely to go, so that in this tape reading enlightenment series I can show you what it looks like when you are expecting price to go to a particular direction. Okay, because you need to have that edge to know where the market is going. So on BTC 4-hour chart, obviously the chart is in an uptrend. So if you don't know what an uptrend means, an uptrend is when the chart is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So it is more like price is breaking structure to the upside. Okay, so that is exactly the case here. So if you are not sure whether the chart is in an uptrend, you can obviously use a trend line tool for that. Okay, so this is what we have. I have one touch here and another touch here, so that makes it 2 lines. You should ensure to have like 2 lines on your chart before you call it a trend. Okay, so on this 4-hour chart, something really caught my eyes that I wanted to discuss with you, and it is this point. Let me get my horizontal ray tool and point it to this high here. Some people will be wondering, why did I choose this high over this high? Why did I choose this high over every other high? Okay, so if you observe on the down part or on the south side, you will see that there was a liquidity hunt right here. There was a liquidity hunt right here. Yes, extreme liquidity hunt. And what we have here is a relative equal high. A relative equal high is just like a price magnet. Okay, personally I like to call it a price magnet because it is where price will gravitate to eventually. Let me take this off. So the reason I call this a relative equal high, because we have not noticed a major sweep of liquidity of these 2 highs. Let me make it clearer to you. So on the chart when you have something like this, a relative equal high is when you have an open high, so to say. So when you observe this high, you will see that it is open. Remember the classic stop hunt scenario where price takes off this high, breaks structure, tests this level and continues to go down. You observe the two differences here, where price swept this high and broke structure down here. But you can see that price swept this high, but it has not broken any structure, especially when you now see price trying to break this internal liquidity. So this is like an open high. So that is what we call a relative equal high. There is no major sweep of liquidity to the right hand side. Remember, before this even formed, right here, this point in price was a relative equal low. So that's the opposite of relative equal high. A relative equal low will look like this. So this is the major swing leg, but this low does not have a major sweep to the right like this that we'll call a sweep of liquidity. So it is always hanging, and it's a trap because price can easily come to take out this low and continue to go up again. So relative equal high is here. So what I just try to let you know is that relative equal high is the magnet of the market. So relative equal high is the magnet of the market, and I have shown you how to see a relative equal high just like this one and this price action prior to this leg. But before I end the video, let me quickly find a point in price where you can see a relative equal high. My network is very poor. So this high was a relative equal high before. This is a perfect example here. Take my horizontal ray, put it here. So this price action right here is a relative equal high because there is no prior price action to the right, and you can see how slanty these highs are. So once price disrespected this inversion fair value gap, you started to see price respect the other blocks until it took out this high right here and turned it to a demand zone, turned the resistance level to a demand zone. So I'm not saying that I am a pro here. I'm just trying to teach you what I know that you can backtest whenever you are on the chart. So this is just it for this video. You guys stay tuned because I am going to be digging more into time and price, and I will be showing you how to trade the New York morning session and make money while trading the New York morning session. Imagine trading the New York morning session is the only thing you do in your life and you are making a whole lot of money. Think about it. It's not like you are going to have a lot of things that you will be doing on the chart. I want to teach you how you can actually know what you are looking for whenever you open the chart on a trading day in the New York morning session. But you have to be disciplined enough for you to be able to take advantage of this strategy that I am going to be putting out more this period of time, 2025. So I'll see you guys in the next video. If today is your first time coming to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Don't miss me much. Stay around, stick around. I hope you found this video insightful. Until I see you next time, HyperFX.